We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button. Tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with MULN, and the stock continues to pull down lower. Now I do want you guys to realize it was not the only stock falling on Friday or even Thursday, right? Because even the SPY has been pulling downwards Thursday and Friday morning our SPY bot at 9 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and put options were up 2 to 3x within minutes, and a few hours later at 12 p.m. we got a bull indicator sent to us directly notified into the Discord, and call options were up 2 to 3x as well, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down. We get those direct notifications over at the Discord to maximize within the volatility and make opportunities out of it, guys. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and the SPY bot. So MULN is not the only stock falling. It's the overall market, and we're going to talk about key levels specifically based off of MULN's chart. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned over at the Discord on Friday morning. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into these charts. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning. IMPP is a stock that we started watching since Tuesday and Wednesday, and within the week we have been watching this one and making opportunities out of it. It's been our home run nearly every single day, and today it turned out to be phenomenal and beyond expectations. When I mentioned it early on in the pre-market, it was sitting sideways, went under a bear indicator towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and hit a first highest point of 18% plus, consolidated, went up and broke through 20% plus, pulled back and took off within the whole entire day from the moment it was mentioned to its highest point of 90% plus, guys. And this was our home run, not just today, but within the whole entire week. And the first time we mentioned it and started watching it was way back here at 181, and so far it's hit highs of 420, giving a highest point so far this week of 120% plus, guys. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, every single week. And if you guys want to know about them early on in the pre-market or early on within the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump into these charts. So here we are with MULN stock, and this is a stock that many have been actually requesting in the comments down below, and it actually had an explosive run recently. A lot of people have talked about it. I don't really track stocks below $1, but since many of you want to know more about it and see it based off the 42 vision chart, I'm going to go ahead and break it down in today's video. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. So MULN stock had an explosive run after hitting its 52-week low, guys. Back in February 24th, this was free falling downwards and took off nearly 3 to 4x within just a few days. And now things have been pulling back and it's retracing back to these levels, but it's tried already 3 times to find a support. And we're going to break it down in today's video and look at them closely based off 42 vision. And I'm going to pull up ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. And by joining, you'll gain access to the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, guys. So here we are with MULN. It's under a bear indicator on the 30-minute since March 1st. Way up here at 163, has been free falling since. And here is some of the volatility that was going on before the run, right? It actually would pop up with a bull indicator, lasted a few points up, went up like about 10 to 20%, would come back down. Same thing here. Same thing right here as well, from 57 up to 82, almost a 50% run. And then it pulled back down, and this is where it all changed. It started way back here in this consolidation of all-time lows, but this is where things really took off, from 68 cents to the highs here of $1.99, almost $2, right? And now it's been pulling downwards, and it's consolidating not that far from that area. And this is why I'm talking about this in today's video. A lot of people have been requesting it, and you could just see the times it tried to find support. And I'm going to circle it based off 42 vision. These have been the 3 times. Right now it's trying to form it here. We'll see if it pumps back up or if it continues even lower, but it's trying to find a support here. So when you see white with red borders based off 42 vision, that is extreme weakness. And almost every single time, or actually most of the time, more than not, there tends to be a reversal, right? You could see it right here. It bottomed out here at 85 cents, came back up to 119. You do the math, that's about a 20 to 40% plus run. And then you come back over here to this one right here, bottomed out at 87, went up to 101, another 20 to 30% plus run. And now it's trying to bottom out here, and it's kind of leveled off. You see how it's kind of like dropped, leveled off. If it kind of reverses here with strength, and you see it shift with 42 vision from white with red borders to red with green borders, like right here, or straight to dark green, there could be some type of reversal forming, but some are weaker than others, right? Like these right here is small. This one right here is pretty small, but not too small. And then this one was pretty big, right? Where it went from 51 cents pretty quickly to 83, and it continued all the way up to this point, because that was the last time it hit white with red borders, and this was the full move, right? This one was a little bit smaller, this one was pretty small, and now we don't really know the size of this one, but based off 42 vision, this is definitely a time to be watching. And the perfect mix to actually show some strength is to negate this bear indicator, and any reversal that forms here, right? If it does start to reverse and bring itself back up and shift from white with red borders to red with green and dark green and continuation, it would have a bull indicator somewhere along these lines down here, right? As the reversal's forming, like it's done down here. And then it can negate this bear indicator, and we could see some possible strength. But if I zoom out and we look at this from the 4 hour, you will see that it's under weakness, guys. It's under weakness. It's been under a bear indicator since way up here at 158. And this was really the move right here. You could clearly see it. The shifts from weakness, right, way down here, to strength way up here, and shifts back into weakness here. This is a full transition from weakness to strength, and right now it's in the process from strength going into weakness, right? So this is strength upwards, strength downwards, and you could see right there the extra layer of confirmations, the bull and bear indicators. That was a pretty clean move to the upside and so far to the downside. So we need to see if these red bars shift into white with red borders. That will be an interesting point to be watching this, or if it turns back around from red into dark green and so forth, and we see a bull indicator pop up. But for now, things are pretty bearish, and on the 1 day, same thing, right? It's been bearish since way up here at $11. So a lot of people are looking at this and zooming out and saying, whoa, you know, there's a lot of potential here. This stock was worth $14, $15. This is undervalued, but there's a lot more going on behind the scenes when it comes to the fundamentals, not just the technicals, right? But the fundamentals of the company that keeps on dragging it down. Now, the closer it gets to the 52-week low or below it, the bigger the opportunity might be. But when you look at this from the 1 day, you know, it's going to take a lot of volume to shift this from bear to bull. But this is definitely an area to be watching this if you are into speculation. Now, this is a very speculative stock, and anything I'm sharing in this video is not to be taken as financial advice. In no shape or form am I stating to buy, sell, or hold any of these positions, and anything that I'm showing here based off 42 vision is just informational, and you are the one that has to make your own rational decisions. But I don't really like stocks under $1. A lot of people were requesting this. That is why I'm posting it, and I wanted to share an informational video about what the charts are showing based off 42 vision and ultimate 42 vision. So the bigger picture is bearish. The 30-minute has been bearish. And the question is, what's the key support? So the first support right now is 73 cents, okay? 73 cents get broken through. The next one's down here at 65. And then we have the lows way down here at 52. 52 gets broken through. This is definitely something to be watching if it does have a dead cat bounce. And I'll be watching how 42 vision reacts within those lows, right? But right now, it's these levels up here that matter, 73, 65, then 52. And to the upside, if there's going to be any strength, the first level is $1. Stay above it and then break towards 120, guys. That will be a key level. It says 118 here. I'll just round that up to 120. And within that push to the upside, if it starts going through those resistance levels, I will be watching if a bull indicator pops up to negate this bear indicator. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.